Hi everyone, today we will show you how to fix YouTube not working on Google Chrome. If the page won't open or playback keeps stopping, we will walk you through the steps to solve the issue. Let's get started. First, restart YouTube. You can press the reload button or use the keyboard shortcut F5 to refresh the page. Next, we need to clear Chrome's cache. Press Ctrl plus H on your keyboard. This will take you to your browsing history. Once here, click to clear your browsing history and select the option to clear cache and history. Now, let's update Google Chrome. To do this, go to the About Chrome section. Chrome will check for updates automatically once we click on About Chrome. The browser will then update itself. Next, check your internet connection. If there is a problem, reset your modem and router. Now, let's look at your extensions. Check if there are any extensions you are not using. Disable those extensions. Go to Manage your extensions and then disable them here. You can also remove any extensions you no longer need. Once we have done all of this, restart your computer. YouTube should now work properly. That's it. We have shown you how to fix YouTube not working on Google Chrome. Your videos should now play smoothly again.